All right, so we have this integral. Let's evaluate. So to start with, I'm going to separate the integral like this. So the first part is integral of 4x power 3 with respect to x minus integral of 6x with respect to x plus integral of 5 with respect to x. Now, I'm interested in this 5. Since it's just 5, then we should know that there's an x here, though this x is raised to the power 0, because you know that raised to the power 0 simply 1. So I can push out the constants. For the first one, the constant is a 4. So 4 integral of x power 3 with respect to x minus 6 integral of x with respect to x. The constant here is 5. I remain with x raised to the power 0 with respect to x. So for the first one, this is 4. To integrate what I have here, I will say x 3 plus 1 divided by the same 3 plus 1. So to the power of x, we're just adding 1. Same thing here, 6. Then we have x 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Here we have 5. Then we have x 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. Since this is indefinite, we're going to add the constant of integration c. So for this one, we can clearly see that this 4 can cancel out with this 4, leaving us with only x raised to the power 4. Here, 2 can go into 6 3 times, so that will leave us with 3x squared. Then here, we just have 5 raised to the power 5x raised to the power 1, plus the constant of integration c.